Hi everyone, welcome. In front of me I have Happy Plugs R1 Plus. And today I will show you how can you increase or decrease volume with them. Let's get started. At first we have to remove them from our case. Just like that. Right and left one. So, now we have to go to YouTube and play some music. It would be this one. To increase our volume, we have to click on this once. And to decrease, we have to click on this 2 times. And that's it. Hope it helps. Like and subscribe for more series of videos. And hope it helps. Goodbye.